Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to bend a cylinder. So you can insert for the cylinder objects and I will use the scale tools to resize the cylinder. The next to bend this cylinder, you can go to the deforms and then choose the non-linear and then you can choose the bend tools. So we have this bend ones for non-linear and I will active for the wireframe set. Now in here we need to create for another subdivision height. So you can go to polycylinder tab and then change for the subdivision height. Like I will set like this 25 and go back to bend tab. Now you can use curvature to set the bend object. Yeah, so can set for the low bounds. This is for the low bounds, and you can hike the boundings and you can bend against the object. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to bend a cylinder.